wasn't me, it was Crystal Cat, she pooted.
No purple emerald cat. Had wasn't crystal cat. It was you. And stop farting at the dinner table. Because it's rude. And it's not funny. And if you want to don't have, do it in the bathroom.
I agree with your father, so stop laughing about it, because it's not funny, it's rude, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Mom and Dad, I'm always being polite at the dinner table.
I know you are, sweetie.
We are so glad you are always being polite. Our sweet princess.
Oh, thank you.
You're a welcome sweetheart.
Purple Emerald Cat, say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table. Purple Emerald Cat, stop it right now. It's not funny, so say excuse me right now, and I mean it.
Excuse Crystal Cat. Hey! Dark Emerald Cat, stop it. Mom didn't ask you to say excuse me. She asked you to say excuse yourself.
Yeah, Purple Emerald Cat, he told you to say excuse me, not excuse Crystal Cat.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
My dark clone, will you please mind your manners?
Jak purple emerald cat. Can you start burping at the dinner table? Say excuse me. So, mint your manners. You knows had purple emerald cat. To catch it. It's not take it anymore. Go to your own richtnof.
Okay, you stupid. Ugly weird Mom and Dad. Did Dark Emerald Cat just say a bad word? Yes, Crystal Cat, I think she said a bad word.
Purple emerald cat. How told you used had kind of language? You are 11 years old and you should never say any of the words at all because it's a bad word.
And that kind of language is inappropriate to use at your age. Now go to your room right now, and we mean it.
Wow.